Take a ride in the 2024 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Honda Civic, practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.